D3D Security Alarm System works as the personal security guard of your home and business 24/7 and protect your family and loved ones from thieves and burglars. It also saves you from any emergencies like fire or LPG gas leakage. There is an intrusion or emergency. The control panel contact the family members using the GSM SIM card installed in the system. Simultaneously, control panel raises an alarm through the siren. Control panel call and sends SMS message to up to 10 family members. Simultaneously, control panel raises an alarm through the siren. D3D siren alerts the neighbors and family members and force the thief and intruders to run away. D3D Security Solution creates an invisible cover of infrared rays around your home using the different type of sensors. Door and window sensors are installed at the door and window to safeguard the entry. In case of intruder try to break into through the protected door, the sensor send signal to control panel and D3D security system get activated. PIR motion sensors are installed in the rooms which create an PIR cover in the room. Whenever any motion is detected by the human, PIR sensor sends signal to control panel and D3D security system get activated. Whenever the fire is detected, the fire sensors send signal to control panel and D3D security system gets activated. In case of LPG gas leakage, the gas sensors sends signal to control panel and D3D security system gets activated. With D3D IP camera you can see the live video of your home or business from anywhere in the world using the internet connection. With stunning HD quality and 360-degree rotation function, you can monitor each and every corner of your home. D3D IP camera has inbuilt memory card slot to save all videos and images. With inbuilt IR motion detection, camera send you the images over the email whenever any motion is detected. D3D CCTV systems are comprehensive monitoring solution for your home and office. D3D CCTV system includes indoor and outdoor cameras which communicate with D3D DVR. With D3D CCTV system user can monitor the various locations on one screen. Videos and images are saved in DVR hard disk with D3D fully interactive desktop and mobile apps. User can see a live video of their home and office from anywhere in the world. Come on! Give you family a 24/7 protection with D3D security systems. For free advice or quotation, please contact our sales team or visit d3dsecurity.com.